Taught across 11 modules, this course will demonstrate the value of P3O model offices, as well as how to create, implement, operate, and re-energize P3Os effectively. You will start by learning what P3Os are before moving on to their benefits. The course also features review modules, practice exams, and a wrap-up module to help students with retention. Once you begin training, you will have access to over 14 hours of course material. The course is also fully accredited by PeopleCert. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you can request a free exam voucher when you are ready to sit the official exam. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.